Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna avocado sushi, only way. Prepare sushi rice, season it with rice vinegar and sugar, slice tuna and avocado thinly, and set up a bamboo mat for rolling. Keep ingredients fresh and your knife sharp for clean slices. Use a light soy or ponzu for dipping and enjoy the balanced textures. I'll guide you through each step so you can make restaurant-style rolls at home. Perfect rice is the foundation, so rinse, cook, and season the rice carefully for balanced flavor. While rice cools, slice tuna into even strips and cut avocado into thin fan slices. Lay out nori, rice, tuna, and avocado within easy reach to assemble quickly. Keep a bowl of water for wetting your hands and a sharp knife for clean cuts. I'll show pacing to keep everything neat and tasty. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep sharing recipes you love. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker link in description, perfect for cooking playlists while you roll sushi. Check the description for that link and other deals that might help your kitchen setup. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling rolls is a rhythmic process. Spread rice on nori, line up tuna and avocado, and roll tightly with a bamboo mat. Seal the edge with a little water and let the roll rest briefly for shape to set. Slice with a sharp, wet knife into 6 to 8 pieces, wiping the blade between cuts for perfect presentation. Serve with soy, pickled ginger, and wasabi for a complete experience at home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.